RS Platinum 1222. Okay. Resilient sounds. Excuse me. Little unboxing here. Found this from an older video from EXO Controlta. Him and his YouTubulous. So that guy's pretty nutty. Love watching his builds and other shit. So he went over some stuff with these speakers, and I figured I'd give one a try. So I'm gonna unbox one myself. This is the Platinum 12. It's a newer version. They didn't have dual 2 ohms. Now they do. So yay! I've already cracked open the tape, and inside we have a nice little Resilient Sound sticker. Just throw that somewhere. I don't put any of those stickers on my car. To me, they're like little badges of, hey, come rob me, because I've got good quality shit in my car. It cracks me up when I see people put in like, oh look, another box. The FI car audios and their Mechmans and their Kenwoods and stickers and Pioneer stickers and their Sky High stickers and all this stuff all over their car, which is great if you're going to competitions, but it's bad if you park your car anywhere else in the real world, in my opinion. So last thing I need is some thug motherfucker going, hey, this guy's got some Resilient Sounds, let's try and get his shit. So anyway, it looks like we're double boxed here, so I'm just gonna say fuck it and see if I can cut this box open. Box in a box, man. Recording this with a phone. I'm not a professional YouTuber, influencer, or any of that fun stuff. I just do these for a little bit of fun. And let's see, let's try not to cut anything important. So this speaker is 2000 watts RMS. Let's put this down before somebody gets hurt. 2000 watts RMS, 4000 watts continuous, and the big capital letters is conservatively rated. Alright, so the package was about 64 pounds. A little bit of styrofoam here. A little more. Now that seems pretty tight in there. Nice big thick dust cap. Alright, so I'm going to set this down for just a moment. You get to stare at my counter while I try and get this out of the box. Oh, god damn, that fucker's heavy. Hell yeah. Alright. Really, size does no justice since you have one in front of you. That's what she said. So that's the remainder of the box. Nothing else in there, nothing special. Seems to be the theme of the day. It's a regular box in a box. And here we have it. So, bam. Man, that fucker's huge. I got anything for size comparison. Half a roll of fucking tissues. There you go. Alright, so let's get this off here. Get a little look at it. Okay. So there you have it. I don't know why I kept thinking this thing was stitched in green. Maybe that's the Def Bounce stuff, which I was kind of on the table between going with Def Bounce, Resilient Sounds, and maybe some B2 audio. But something about the Resilient Sounds just said go for it. It was kind of shiny, had a big booty. I'm not gonna strip that off there. So a little silicone up in here, some nice big fatty things, terminals, and that's pretty much it. So for the price, ain't too bad. Kind of wish it would have come with some speaker mounting hardware for the boxes and stuff, but that's just nitpick shit. Supposedly, oh man, that is tight as shit. So I can't wait to power this up. Still got to build a box for it and get that installed. And I'm going to be underpowering it a little bit. So I have an old school original Sundown SAZ 1500E. So I got the dual 2 ohms, so we can wire it down to 1 ohm and try and throw all that wattage to it. I know the Sundowns work at half ohm. They'll put out 2000 plus at half ohm, but I'm not too confident about running it daily at a half ohm. in a trunk in a Florida car in the summer. So it is what it is, but there you have it. Resilient Sound 12-inch Platinum Edition. So hopefully it'll be awesomeness. Thanks for watching.